I am the BLIZZY.
I am the BLIZZY. I am the BLIZZY. And what does that actually mean? What that means is I represent that cold shoulder that you're going to begin to feel from black men. And we see you for who you are, black women. We see you for the hate-filled individuals that you've become because of your selfishness and your waywardness and your falling away from morality and what the Most High God wants for you. But let me tell you the difference between you and that white woman. That white woman stood by her man. Through 500 years of blood and guts, she stood by her man. And whether she liked it or not, she was right on board with him dominating this world. The Asian woman has been oppressed. The Asian man has been oppressed by 500 years of white male domination. So has the Native American and the Indian in India, and the African, and the Arab man, everybody. It's the white man's time to rule. Everybody gets a chance. Black people had 80,000 years, and you sat next to the black man when he ruled. For the past 500 years, the white man is ruling. Guess what you do? Instead of being good companions and getting in line and waiting your turn again, you want to crap all over the black man, even the ones that mean you well. So ladies, you're being replaced. And here's the thing, I'm not going to be nice to you about it. See, I'm not like Kevin Samuels. He tried to do right by you. He tried to teach you. But I've realized you're going to hate me anyway. So what I'm going to do is give you a reason to hate. So when I'm called home to my ancestors, all that you say will be justified. And I'm okay with that.